Hello everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install VLC Media Player in Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. Now before installing VLC Media Player, let us first understand what is VLC Media software. VLC software is basically a software used to play any media player in Windows operating system. You can also use this media player for any other operating system, but in this video we are going to show you how can we download and install the VLC media player in Windows 10. You need to first download it, so let's get download the VLC media. So first of all we can open any of browser and then type VLC media player download. And on the first site you are seeing the result of the site videoland.org. So in order to download VLC media player, just click on it. This will open your official website of VLC media player. To download VLC media player, simply click on the download button. Now the official VLC media player is starts downloading. It's just a 40 MB file, so it will download quickly. And now you can see our yes, we can save it. Now the VLC media player has started downloading. It won't take time. It's just a 40 MB file. Now I have skipped the video and then um, it's almost done. We can see in folder option. Now you can see our VLC media player has been downloaded. Let's install the VLC media player. It won't take time. Yes, yeah, they are saying for language, where language is English. Click on the next button and then another time next button and then also next. So there, next, and you can see now the official VLC media player is downloading. Now the let's see media has almost started. Click on finish. Now we have officially downloaded and installed the VLC media. Let's open it. On the first side it looks like empty, so we can go in my videos. There are some videos that I have uploaded recently. We can open any one of these, and just to learn the VLC. Now on the left bottom corner there is a pause and rewind button, and next is for speed. We can increase or decrease the speed, and the middle one is for stop and start, and the third one is for full screen, and the fourth one is for adjustment. In the sixth option we can shuffle or streak the video. So let's open the video and I will teach you how to use adjustment. The first option is audio effect. In this effect we can change our audio from any of this. We can also change it our audio. And the section 2 is compressor. In this we can also use compressor, for which is also an audio project in which we can compress the sound. by different aspects. And the third option is spatializer, which is also an audio object. In this we can also adjust the audio, and there is also a stereo widener in which we can wide or decrease the stereo. And it's also advanced option in which we can change the pitch like a man sound or woman sound. The second is video effect, in which is also very important. In this effect we can change the different colors, brightness. We can also adjust the brightness there, so then we can see that is the low brightness. And the fourth one is contrast, saturation, gamma, sharpening, the band removal, and there is also a flame grayness. The next option is video effect crops, in which we can crop the video. Let's crop it from top. We can also add any of the number, like I like 480. So then you see the how I crop the video. We can also crop the video from left, like same as we have done from top. We can also crop the video from bottom, like I write 322. And I can also crop the video from right. In geometry we can rotate our video also in any direction. And the next is overlay. In overlay we can add any logo and other things, and in the synchronization we can also, this is also an audio subject. Okay guys, that's enough for today. We will be seeing you in another video. Thanks for today. Okay, bye.